morning guys. So today will be the Nismo day, and when I say Nismo day, it's time for shopping. Awfully sunny, it's nice and beautiful out, and I'm very happy with that, and especially on my weekend. But I think it's supposed to be cloudy and rainy later on today. We'll go to a trip to get the parts that I'm gonna need, and what store am I going to. So stay tuned guys. Now we are arriving here. So far, hopefully they let me do a video and shoot some content here for you guys. If not, it's all good. And where can we park it? Let me find out where I can park. Alright, we are here. Overall, the drive wasn't so bad. So if you come here like on a weekend, well, Sunday unfortunately they're closed on a Sunday. But Saturday they are open till, from what I know, it's gonna be 8 o'clock till 4 or 5. So I know they close a little bit early. So you want to come here around this time. For me, with no traffic, it probably took me like 20 minutes just to get here, and it's not so bad. There's no traffic, and it's a smooth driving too as well. So if any of y'all are local, come here, get some parts for your Nissans, man. Like I said, timing is good. Could be a bad timing, bad start when you commute here down to Olympia, Washington. So, and just so you know, Olympia, Washington is the state capital of Washington. If you guys didn't know, not that you care about it. All right. So we are here at the chamber of Nismo parts. You come here, you get all this kind of stuff here. Let me show you guys. Yep, they got more carts, guys. If you guys ever want to cop one, hit them up. They got all the stuff. Kouki tails. Look at that. It's very odd, right? You don't see this when you go into a Nissan dealership. So get some hats right here, some merch. Nissanpartscc, if you don't know. The die cast. If you're a coffee drinker or milk drinker. Got Nismo cups right there too. Got the old school Skyline badges, Datsuns. Look at this. This is hard, yo. I like that. I really want that. I do like that too. It's a nice kind of little ornament on your engine bay. Super sick. Look at that. 18x9. See, that thing goes really hard right now. It's so dope. And when you go to Nissan parts, Nissan store, do you ever seen this? Look at that. Hard. I want that so bad. So cool. These are so old school. If you not already know, I'm from like the 90s, man. These are like the OG kinds. You can't not miss and not have one of these. These are good stuff. Good squash. Personally, I do love this one. Good. I like the black squash. This smells really good. Got some more air fresheners. Thank you so much, bro.
Oh yeah.
I appreciate you, man.
No worries.
Hit him up. This is the guy right here. During the weekends, he's here.
Only
Come to help you out. Great service, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah. No worries.
Okay, what a good day. Good experience by far. Like I said, if you guys go and check them out, if you're local, if you work on the weekdays like me, you can always go there on the weekend. They are open on Saturday, except for Sunday though. So, but times are different, schedule on the weekend. So I think they're from 8 o'clock till 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, yeah, we got what we need. Importantly, like some unexpected stuff that I needed, like little small stuff like bolts and nuts, washers that I needed for the SR or the 240 itself. Yeah, the parts that I got pretty much is the front bumper emblem. So I need to get this one to get everything finalized, and this is how they look like, and this is the guy for my S13. Super nice, clean, brand new, fresh car. It's gonna be all restored nicely with all this brand new parts. I got one of these knuckle bolts. For some reason I found mine slightly bent, so I bought a new one, and they actually sell them like individual. They also sell the washer nut by individual, so if you guys ever need to get them, they do have them like that, and this is the parts number for that. And also I got one of these filler plug for the transmission too as well. This works for the R32 and S13 too as well, so if you ever need them, they do have them. This is something I just came across, and what this is basically for your S15 turbo for your inlet pipe. Thought this was discontinued, but they actually have this one. They're in the low stock right now, so let you guys know. So if you guys ever need to buy them now while they're in stock, because everything's going low right now, low quantities, and they're all on demand right now. So just get yours whenever you guys can. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It's a little stuff that I wanted to get. Yep. Anyways, guys, we'll see you guys the next day.
24 hours later.
Hey, hi baby. Yeah, let's get some sun out. We're looking at here is the 3-piece rear valance. Well, one of them is, and this is going to be the passenger side. Everything looks like it's intact, and the only problem that we're having here is basically this crack right here. And just so you know, this is the real OEM plastic of the Type X model. So I finally got to obtain one of these, and it's very hard, and they're getting really rare and expensive to get these. You can buy them now, see online, and they will go for about like 16 to 2,000, almost 2 grand for just to get this piece, the 3-piece valance. What I'm trying to do is trying to get this thing cleaned up, and hopefully can get this fixed. And I'm gonna try to do whatever elements we can do to refurbish this piece right here. So let's get to it. So before we start refurbishing the gaps here and rewelding it together, I went ahead and cleaned this up, especially the inside thoroughly with some Scotch-Brite's fine. Make sure the surfaces are clean. Any adhesive or anything like that, or any oil or grease, you want that to be taken out of the surface of the plastic. So as you can see, I don't know what happened there, but they try to glue it together. We're gonna try to do this the right way, so we'll experiment something good, see if we can fix this problem here. All right, here's an example of the perfect shape. This one is not broken, and this is the driver's side, and this side right here is the one that's cracked, and you can see a little bit of warpage between the two. See, this one is perfectly lined up, and this one's pretty warped right there. That's why this thing, it's like, yeah, so we're gonna have to reshape this thing. We'll go ahead and start doing that and put this back in shape where it's supposed to be, or how it's supposed to be. the shape is not bad. It's actually I think this is pretty good in my opinion, and it's pretty straight. We can go ahead and shave this and clean this up to the bare plastic, and also the inside too as well with the 80 grit. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So a little update, guys. So far, looks good, and I kind of bend it a little bit. I think we're pretty good at what we're doing right now. So I just need to go maybe hit it up more, and I'm gonna start doing melting the piece, this plastic part right here, so I can fill that in. I got to do the front side too as well and sand it. So this should be good. Okay guys, we're gonna call it a day, and this stuff turned out well. It's kind of hard to tell now, but everything feels right. Feels like everything is good. We just gotta sand it down. And it's all in good shape, all intact. One piece. Sand it, primer it, and paint it. Should be all in one color again, and we are ready to go. So we are on day 2 with this rear valance, refurbishing them, or how should I say it, just repairing the damage of this used rear valance here. As you can see, now I'm going to be working on the center rear valance, and you can see some wear and tear there. Got some crack going on. I don't know if you can see that part. A little close. So we're going to go ahead and fill this in, and majority basically we're going to try to fill as much as we could and weld this cracks right here. And also we have more on the side. I believe there's one more. I think this one right here. So yeah, those little things. It's plastic. They're very thin type of material.
at least everything's intact with like the mounting. Yeah, I'm gonna fix those up today, and stay tuned. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. The other rear valance on the driver's side, that one took time. Doing this for the first time, it gave me a lot of learning curves. Let's go ahead and get this thing started though. As you can see, I've already taken off the excess Bondo that was done here because I want to get to the bare plastic so I can melt this. I can start welding this part of the damage. And I've already started in the back, and pretty much that's all I needed to be done. Doesn't have to be very clean. As long as it's attached there very well, and you'll be good. That's why you have to do those little prep that I showed you guys earlier. And then so it'll be a lot more flexible. So now I think this one is a lot better. And what we'll do is just gonna go ahead and sand it down again with the 80 grit, just enough to get abrasive. And I think that should be good enough.